Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, we meet again, student. Alright, today's topic it's about whole number 3, which is we're going to do two topic today again, which is divide by 10, 100 and 1000, and the second one is to divide whole number by tens, hundreds and thousands. Before this we have done multiplication, alright, but today we're going to move to division. Okay, division, as you know, what is division? What is divide? Divide is, if you can see here, it is a bahagi. Okay, divided, right? Divide. Okay, divide means bahagi, right? So our lesson objective today is to divide whole number by 10, 100 and 1000. And second objective is we're going to divide whole number up to 4-digit number by tens, okay, any tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, now in this topic we're going to need multiplication table as you divide later, okay, using working, right? Okay, I'm sure you know what is whole number already. Alright, do you still remember what is whole number? Yes, whole number tu nombor-nombor yang selain dari zero, yang 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and 100, 101, 102, 200 and so on. That is whole number. So I hope you remember what is whole number. Okay, let's try to do topic 1 first. How to divide by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, now the rules here is different already. Okay, how do we divide by 10, 100 and 1000? There are 4 rules to follow. Okay, teacher sudah sediakan 4 rules here. Rules 1. Now what should you do? The number 1 lain, rulesnya lain daripada yang Tani buat multiplication masa tu, nda sama. Okay, rulesnya, let's see. Number 1, cancel 0 in pairs. Number 2, underline the whole number. Okay, lepas Tani cancel 0 in pairs, maksudnya Tani cancel 0 tu berpasangan. Okay, mesti ada dangannya kalau Tani cancel 0. Okay, and then lepas tu garis whole number. Okay, and then number 3, divide the whole number. Lepas Tani garis mana satu whole numbernya, baru Tani divide the whole number using working. Okay, sometimes Tani tidak perlu guna working, sometimes ada memerlukan house of division, workingnya, working divide. Later teacher show you. And step 4, find and write the answer. After you divide, you write down the answer. Okay, for example here, 50 divide by 10. Okay, by following these rules, number 1, what should we do? This is divide by 10 dulu. Example divide by 10. So what do you do? Cancel 0 in pair. So if you see sini 10 ni ada 1 0 sahaja. So Tani dapat cancel 1 0 sahaja dari arah 10 itu. And then dapat satu in pairs, artinya dari arah 10 itu 1 0 Tani cancel, and arah 50 itu yang dengannya mendivide itu Tani cancel juga 1 0. Okay, 1 0 daripadanya. So yang tinggal hanyalah inilah yang tinggal. Kalau lepas Tani cancel 0-nya yang berdangan, so number 2, what do you do? Underline the whole number. So 0-nya sudah habis cancel, so yang tinggal ialah 5 and 1. Itulah whole number. So what do you do next? Step 3, divide the whole number. So di sini teacher tulis balik 5 divide by 1. Now kalau you divide by 1, senang saja. The answer is still 5, isn't it? Sebab kalau divide by 1, jawapannya tetap sama. Okay, anda perlu tidak memerlukan working of divide. Anda payah. Okay, next example. Let's see. Okay, 1800 divide by 10. Still divide by 10. Okay, example divide by 10 ya masih. Okay, so follow the rules. Cancel 0 in pair. So di sini tadi divide by 10 kan. So ada satu 0 saja yang dapat di cancel bedangan. Okay, artinya cancel dulu dari arah 10 atau 1 0 dari 0, and then sini sebelah sini 1800 ini dari ones-nya arah ones-nya tu ini cancel 1 0. So ia bedangan. Okay, so tadi anda boleh cancel dari 1800 ini dua-dua di sini tidak boleh, mesti tadi cancel dari arah divide by 10 dengan 1800 10. So equal, artinya at the same time tadi cancel berpasangan. Okay, so there is no more 0 to be cancel yang ada dangannya. So tinggallah 180. 0 yang dia dapat di cancel ni dijadikan whole number. Tani garis 180 divide by 1. Okay, so teacher tulis balik 180 divide by 1. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is 180. Okay, because it's divide by 1, easy sedikit. Okay, senang tani divide. Still the same answer. Okay, let's try the next one. This one. If you see sini, the question is 120,050 divide by 10. Masih divide by 10 contohannya. So what do you do? The first one is you cancel 0 in pairs yang ada pasangannya. So di sini divide by 10 ada satu 0 saja. So we have to cancel 0-nya dari ones. Okay, ini sejaganya yang ada kan. So sebelah sini ni, nombor sebelah sini ni yang ada dari 0-nya di ujung adalah 1 kayaknya, 1 0. So dari belakangan ni. Okay, dari ujungnya ni, dari ones-nya ni. So hanya 1 0 saja. So yang di tengah-tengah yang 0 yang tengah-tengah di antara whole number ni tidak boleh di cancel pasal ya itu masih ada nombornya. Okay, ini termasuk dalam whole number. So whole numbernya ialah sekarang yang tinggal underline 12,005 divide by 1. So kena tulis balik, and the answer is 12,005 is still the answer. Okay, so it's just a matter of cancelling 0. Mesti ada dangannya. Okay, nombor sebelah sini dengan sebelah sini mesti berdangan, 0-nya di cancel bukan sekali-sekali Okay, next one, next example. Okay, we move on to divide by 100 now. Okay, 800 divide by 100. So how is it? So let's see. First, cancel 0 in pairs. Okay, so cikgu mulakan dari, oleh sebab 100 ani ada 2 0 kan. So tadi boleh cancel 2 0 juga sebelah nombor yang sini. Okay, so let's see. Ada pasangannya kena. So bermula dari ones, 0 ones. So sebelah sini ada 0 ones juga. So we can cancel. And di sini 0 tens. Ada dangannya sini? Yes, ada 0 tens juga. So tadi boleh cancel at the same time. So yang tinggal habis 0-nya habis di cancel. So sini pun ada lagi ada 0. So yang tinggal 8 divide by 1. So 8 divide by 1, rewrite again. So what is the answer? Yes, the answer is 8. Okay, easy as that. Okay, next one. 54,000 divide by 100. Okay, let's see sini. Okay, awal teacher menggaris. Sepatutnya balong ni kita. Okay, let's see. First, cancel the 0. Cancel 0. Ini penting Cancel 0 dulu untuk menyenangkan tani mendivide. Okay, jangan dah di cancel 0. Tapi mesti berpasangan. Let's see. So, oleh sebab ya 100 ada 2 0. So, I cancel dari ones. And di sini ones. 0 ones, 0 1. Okay, ada dangannya. How about 0 tens? Ada kena dangannya sini. Yes, ada 0 tens. Cancel dengan 0 tens sebelah sini. Okay, so dia lagi ada 0 kan di cancel sini. So we cannot cancel anymore. Okay, so what do you do? Underline the whole number. So yang tinggal 0 yang tinggal itu tadi underline sebagai whole number. Jadilah ya 540 divide by 1. So 540 divided by 1 is, yes, sudah ada jawapannya sini, 540. Alright. Okay, again we practice again. This is divide by 100 still. Masih So di sini nomornya 8,190,000 divide by 100. Okay, again, apa dengannya mendivide? Dengan 100. So artinya we cancel berapa 0? Yes, 2 0. So dari 1, 0 1. So sebelah sini, nomor sebelah sini mesti jual dari 0 1. Setelah cancel. Still ada 0 0 yang belum sini, 0 10 cancel, and di sini pun 0 10 di cancel. So ada lagi 0 yang akan di cancel sebelah sini around 100. Tidak ada. So what do you do? Tadi underline the whole number. Yang termasuklah 0 yang indah di cancel itu. 81,900 divide by 1. So next what do you do? Tadi divide. 81,900 divide by 1 is equal to, sama je jawapannya, 81,900. Okay, next one. Try next one. This is divide by 1,000. Let's see. 64,000 divide by 1,000. Okay. So if you see sini, 1,000 ini ada berapa zeros? Yeah, 3 zeros, right? So what do you do first? Cancel 0 in pairs. Masih sama rulesnya. Tadi cancel dari ones. And di sini ada 64,000. Tadi cancel juga dari ones. Next, 0 tens. Di sini pun cancel 0 tens. How about 0 hundreds? Yes. And di sini pun tadi cancel 0 hundreds. Okay. Yang di cancel 0-nya yang ada dangannya dari ones. Kalau ada dangan jangan di cancel. So apa yang tinggal di sini? Tadi garis. Okay. 64 divided by 1. And the answer is 64. Okay. Easy as that. Next, 8,290,000 divide by 1,000. Okay. So di sini again, lihat dengannya mendivide. Divide by 1,000. Lihat zeronya berapa? 3 kan? So we have to cancel 3 0. Let's see. 1 0 1 0 ones, 0 tens and 0 tens, 0 hundred and 0 hundred. Di cancel ikut place value-nya. Okay. Kalau ia dari ones, mesti kita ni cancel dari ones. Zero-nya yang di cancel. Next, underline the whole number. Yang tinggal ialah 8,290. Zero seperti ini ada dangannya. So we cannot cancel. Divide by 1. So how do we divide? Kalau divide by 1, senang saja. The answer is still the same. Alright? 8,290. Next one. Okay, let's move on to topic 2. How to divide by tens. Apa saja tens, hundreds, and apa saja thousands. Okay, dengannya. Okay, di sini example-nya, let's see. 60 divide by 30. If you see 30 sini, hanya ada satu zero saja. Sama macam tadi, rules-nya, we have to cancel the zero first. So, cancel berapa zero? 1 0. Okay, 0 ones. And di sini pun 0 ones. Okay. So, apa yang tinggal di sana? Underline 6 divide by 3 is equal to, okay, cikgu tulis balik. 6 divide by 3. Okay, kalau anda falsi vertika, look at your multiplication table. 6 ini yang keberapa? So, 6 divide by 3 is equal to 2. Alright. Okay, yang kedua, 2 kali 3 ialah 6. Kalau tadi kali balik. Okay, so the answer is 2. Okay, Let's try the next one. Ni by tens masih ni, 50 masih tens. Okay, so again cancel 0 in pairs. Okay, 50 ada satu 0 saja, so we cancel satu 0 saja dengannya. Okay, so we cannot cancel 0 yang lebih daripada satu 0. Okay, so yang tinggal adalah 755 divide by 5. So I rewrite again, teacher tulis balik. And how do you find the answer? Ingat masih? Yes, use your working in a piece of paper. Alright, atau in the workbook pun boleh kamu buat di tepi-tepinya. Boleh tunjukkan. Use your multiplication table to find the answer in the question here. Okay, so 755 divided by 5. Okay, you bring each satu-satu. Right, and the answer I got is 151. You must show your working. Kalau usulnya ada working macam mana ya. Okay, show your working. Okay, try the next example. Let's see, 72,000 divided by 80. Okay, masih tens masih tens dengan yang mendivide ni. So cancel satu 0 saja, 0 ones, and sini pun mesti cancel 0 ones. Dari ones tadi cancel, jangan dari depan sini, dah boleh dari ones, 0 1 0 1. Okay, so that's all saja dapat di cancel. So ada lagi dengannya lah mencancel 0 sini ni. So apa yang tinggal 7,200 divide by 8. Okay, so again teacher tulis balik untuk mendivide. So I use the house of working di sini, house of divide. So again 7,200 divided by 8. Okay, turunkan satu-satu untuk mendivide. Lihat sipir 8, lihat yang dekat dengan 7, and then turunkan lagi 2, and then 0 ni pun masih diturunkan, and you put the 0 here. Okay, masih ada divide tu 0 0 tu. So 7,200 divided by 8 is equal to 900. Okay, ni kalau teacher pakai working this is using working. Okay, next one, 4,200 divided by 700. Now ada hundreds now. This is hundreds. Okay, divide by hundreds sudah, 700s. So 700s ini ada 2 0 di belakangnya. So that's mean you have to cancel 2 zeros juga di sini sebelah nombor depan ini. So again, bermula dari 0 ones, cancel 0 ones juga sebelah sini, and then cancel 0 tens and 0 tens. Okay, so habis 0-nya, so ada lagi kan di cancel. So yang tinggal hanyalah 42 divide by 7. Alright, so I bring it down, saya tulis balik 42 divide by 7. So lihatlah sifar 7, 42 divide by 7 equal 6. Okay, this one ada kalanya dia tadi perlukan working untuk yang jawapan macam mana ni, soalan macam mana ni. Okay, dia memerlukan working. Ada kalanya tadi perlukan working untuk cari jawapan untuk mendivide. Okay, try the next one, 64,000 divided by 800. Okay, let's see here. So di sini 800s. Okay, 800. So ada 2 0 here untuk di cancel. So bermula dari 0 ones and 0 ones, 0 tens and 0 tens. We cancel. Okay, so ada terdapat satu 0 sini yang nada dengannya mencancel sini juga. So we cannot cancel it. Okay, so yang tinggal sini ialah 640 underline divide by 8. So 640 divided by 8. Ni tadi memerlukan working. So we bring down satu-satu. Okay, untuk mendivide. So show your working. Okay, we have learned division before. So jawapannya ialah 80. Alright. Okay, next one, 426,900 divide by 300. Still divide by hundreds sini. So there are two zeros. Okay, 300s ada two zeros, so that's mean I cancel from ones and from ones, 0 ones, and 0 tens and 0 tens. Okay, habis zeronya untuk di cancel sama-sama. Okay, nada pasangan, nada lagi zero untuk di cancel. Sini pun nada lagi zero untuk di cancel. So yang tinggal hanyalah 4269 divide by 3, the whole number. So I rewrite again, okay, and I show the working. I have to show the working because it's a big number, so I have to divide it one by one. Alright, and I got 1423, the answer. Alright, okay, next one. This is divide by thousands. Masuk kepada divide by thousand sudah. So let's say 6,000 divide by 3,000. Okay, thousands. So if you see sini divide by 3,000, ada 3 zeros. 3 zeros kan kalau 3,000 ini. So we have to cancel dulu. So cancel dari 0 ones, and di sebelah sini pun ada 0 ones. Cancel 0 tens and 0 tens berpasangan and di sini ada 0 hundreds, cancel with 0 hundreds juga. Okay, so yang tinggal di sini habis zerosnya, nada lagi ada yang akan di cancel and nada extra zeros here. So yang tinggal 6 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 senang saja, no need working. The answer is 2, isn't it? Alright, next 680,000 divided by 4,000. How about this? Let's see. Now 4,000 ada 3 zeros, so tani cancel dari 0 ones and 0 ones, cancel berpasangan badangan, 0 tens and 0 tens, and di sini ada 0 hundreds, cancel, and 0 hundreds also cancel. Okay, bear in mind lagi sekali, tani anda boleh mendivide dengan nombornya di sini, zeronya di sini saja. Okay, mesti nombor zerosnya tu mesti di cancel dengan dangannya di sebelah, nombornya sebelah ni. Okay, kalau yang nombor di sini saya kamu cancel, you cannot do that, that is wrong. Okay, mesti berpasangan, okay, dengan yang di divide itu. Okay, zeronya mesti di cancel berpasangan. Okay, baru tah lurus. So yang tinggal sini ada satu zero yang dapat di cancel pasal ada dangannya sebelah sini. So what do you do? 680 divide by 4, isn't it? Okay, so what should you do? We need working here. 680 divide by 4. Okay, so guna sipir 4. Okay, you bring one by one to find the quotient here, to find the answer, and the answer is 170. Alright, okay, I think it is the last one. Let's see, 497,000 divide by 7,000. How is this? So dengannya sini kalau tadi lihat divide by 7,000. So that's mean dari 0 ones cancel dengan 0 ones, 0 tens cancel dengan 0 tens sebelah sini, 0 hundreds cancel dengan 0 hundreds sebelah nombor sebelah sini. Okay, so yang tinggal hanyalah underline it, 497 divided by 7. Why do we underline it? Because tadi kan melihat mana mixed number yang tinggal. Okay, itulah yang tadi divide. Okay, so you use your house of working, house of divide. Okay, gunakan sipir 7 to find the answer, and the answer is 71. Alright, okay, I think that's it for today. So I hope you learn, understand, and study the rules that I've given to do it in the workbook later.